Now, the glass cleaner, we use a big softy towel, and it's not just good for glass, it's also good for a lot of the hard and shiny trims that are interior your car. You do them last in case you've got any overspray or anything on them. Brings up a wonderful finish. Now, when you're doing your glass, it's a really simple task. It's never a dark art to get it right. All you need to do is spray your glass cleaner, make sure it's ammonia free, just 3 sprays into the towel, and then apply it to the glass, east-west, north-south. Fold it to a dry side and you get an absolutely perfect finish. Run around, do all your glass, then get a separate towel, come in and finish off on all the plastic trims. Now for all these shiny trims on the interior, just 2 little sprays into your cloth and then apply, and cleans off any old residues in that. Turn it over then to a clean side and buff it off. Beautiful, like new perfection.